Welcome to a journey where centuries of history and cutting-edge technology converge, where the digital revolution meets Europe's enduring heritage. In this exploration, we unveil the profound influence of tech giants in the very heart of this diverse continent. This is Europe's digital revolution, navigating the tech giants' impact. In every cobblestone street and modern skyscraper, in the echoes of history and the whispers of innovation, Europe presents a canvas where past meets future. As the sun sets, the city's pulse quickens, and the digital age awakens. The internet, an invisible bridge, connects lives and cultures, transcending borders and time zones. In the heart of this transformation, we find the unmistakable presence of Apple, a tech giant with a profound footprint across the European continent. Step inside an Apple store, and you'll encounter a dazzling array of innovation, from the latest iPhones and iPads to MacBooks that redefine the way we work and create. This is where technology meets tradition, where data flows ceaselessly, and where the narrative of Europe's digital evolution unfolds. Throughout this video, we'll delve into the profound themes that shape this narrative: Apple's influence in Europe, their trailblazing products and services, their unwavering commitment to data privacy, sustainability initiatives that inspire change, and the transformative impact that echoes through every corner of society. Stay with us as we uncover the secrets, stories, and statistics that define the digital landscape of Europe, a continent where tech giants like Apple play a pivotal role. As we step into the heart of Europe's digital landscape, we find Apple, the iconic tech giant, firmly anchored on the continent. Apple's European presence is not just a retail presence, it's an indelible mark on the fabric of these vibrant cities. From London to Paris, Berlin to Barcelona, Apple stores stand as architectural marvels, blending modern aesthetics with historical cityscapes. Inside, customers from all walks of life engage with a range of cutting-edge products, each designed to enhance how we connect, work, and create. But Apple's European presence goes beyond the Apple Store. It extends to numerous corporate offices and data centers strategically placed across the continent. These offices serve as hubs of innovation and collaboration, contributing to the vibrant tech ecosystem of Europe. Furthermore, Apple's commitment to community engagement shines through various initiatives, supporting education, diversity, and environmental sustainability. At night, the Apple Store's glass facade reflects the city's lights, symbolizing the interconnectedness of technology and urban life. In major European cities, it's hard to escape Apple's reach, as multiple stores dot the urban landscape. And at the core of this presence are the dedicated Apple employees, offering exceptional service and support to customers from all corners of Europe. Apple's European presence isn't just about commerce, it's about innovation, culture, and making a meaningful impact on the continent. So, as we explore the digital transformation of Europe, remember that Apple stands as a beacon of technology, a testament to how innovation transcends borders. Now, let's dive into the innovation that's transformed the way Europeans connect with the world, the extraordinary world of Apple products and services. At the forefront is the iPhone, a device that has become an integral part of modern European life. Its elegant design, cutting-edge features, and seamless integration with the digital world have made it a cultural icon. Moving on to the iPad, an innovative tablet that's redefining how we work, create, and entertain. Whether it's in offices, schools, or cafes, iPads are versatile companions. For those seeking the ultimate in computing, MacBooks are a testament to Apple's commitment to both form and function. Sleek, powerful, and equipped for the future, they empower creativity and productivity. And on our wrists, the Apple Watch is revolutionizing health and fitness. It's more than a smartwatch, it's a wellness companion, helping Europeans lead healthier lives. But it's not just about individual products, it's about an ecosystem, a seamless, interconnected world where iOS is the heart and soul. Within this ecosystem, Apple offers a suite of services like Apple Music, Apple TV+, and iCloud, creating a comprehensive digital experience. Augmented reality, or AR, is another frontier where Apple is pushing boundaries. With ARKit, developers across Europe are crafting immersive experiences that blur the line between the digital and physical worlds. And for the creatives among us, tools like the Apple Pencil unlock new dimensions of expression on the iPad, transforming it into a canvas for artists and designers. In every corner of Europe, from Helsinki to Athens, from Lisbon to Warsaw, Apple's products and services have become integral to the way we communicate, create, and explore. In a world where data is the new currency, Apple has emerged as a guardian of your digital life, committed to safeguarding your privacy and security. As Europeans navigate the digital landscape, whether it's sending messages, making payments, or sharing photos, they do so with confidence, thanks to Apple's unwavering dedication to data protection. It begins with the very devices Europeans use every day. Face ID and Touch ID ensure that your device remains locked to you and you alone. But the real magic happens behind the scenes, a commitment to end-to-end encryption that ensures your messages and data remain private and secure. Apple's groundbreaking App Tracking Transparency gives users control over their data, allowing them to decide if apps can track their online activities. And for those curious about their app's data practices, the Apple Privacy website provides transparent insights, while privacy labels on the App Store offer clarity. It's not just about software, it's also about the infrastructure. Apple's data centers, like the one in Viborg, Denmark, are powered by 100% renewable energy, reducing their carbon footprint. Apple's security teams, spread across Europe, work diligently to stay ahead of emerging threats, ensuring your data remains safe from prying eyes. In the event your device is lost or stolen, features like Find My ensure your data stays secure, even as you work to recover your device. For Europeans, privacy and security aren't just buzzwords, they're core values that Apple champions in every product and service. As we delve deeper into Apple's impact on Europe, we uncover a commitment that goes beyond technology, Apple's dedication to sustainability. Across the continent, Apple is investing in renewable energy, harnessing the power of wind, sun, and water to create a greener future. In Viborg, Denmark, the data center stands as a testament to Apple's sustainability vision, powered by 100% renewable energy. But it doesn't stop there. Solar farms in Germany, clean energy investments in Sweden, Apple is leading the way in minimizing its environmental footprint. And for Europeans looking to reduce their own footprint, Apple's trade-in program makes it easy to recycle your old devices, giving them new life. From design to manufacturing, Apple is committed to carbon neutrality, ensuring that each device is crafted with the environment in mind. But the spirit of sustainability extends beyond the boardroom. Apple employees across Europe are engaged in environmental initiatives, creating a culture of change. For Europeans, Apple is more than just a tech company. It's a partner in creating a sustainable future, one innovation at a time. In the ever-evolving digital landscape of Europe, the App Store stands as a vibrant marketplace of innovation. Let's explore the pivotal role it plays in the continent's tech ecosystem. For millions of Europeans, the App Store is the gateway to an endless world of apps and experiences, from productivity tools to entertainment and beyond. But it's not just about the apps, it's about the brilliant minds behind them, European developers who are shaping the digital future. From bustling tech hubs like Berlin, Stockholm, and Barcelona to quieter corners of the continent, developers are creating solutions that enrich our lives. European app developers have achieved remarkable success. From language learning apps to mobile games, their creations have captured global attention. Apple is not just a platform, it's a partner. With programs like Entrepreneur Camp and App Accelerator, Apple supports European developers every step of the way. Events like WWDC and developer conferences provide opportunities for developers to learn, network, and showcase their innovations on a global stage. As the App Store continues to evolve, it serves as a testament to the entrepreneurial spirit of Europe, where ideas take flight and creativity knows no bounds. As we wrap up our journey through Europe's digital landscape, we find ourselves at the crossroads of history and innovation. Europe, with its timeless beauty and rich heritage, has seamlessly woven the threads of tradition with the fabric of technology. We've explored the impact of tech giants like Apple on this continent, how their transformative products, unwavering commitment to data privacy, and dedication to sustainability have left an indelible mark. But as we conclude, it's essential to look forward, to imagine the digital Europe of tomorrow. The future holds promises of augmented reality experiences that will blur the line between the digital and physical worlds, making education, work, and entertainment more immersive. It's a future where technology isn't just a tool but a bridge that connects cultures, fosters creativity, and empowers individuals. As Europeans embrace this digital future, they do so with an understanding of the importance of data privacy, driven by companies like Apple that put user trust above all else. And they do so with an eye on sustainability, knowing that preserving our planet is a responsibility we all share. European developers, with their innovative spirit, will continue to shape this future, creating apps and experiences that enhance our lives. So, as we conclude our journey, remember that the digital Europe of tomorrow is being shaped today by companies like Apple, by developers, and by you, the individuals who embrace technology with a vision for a brighter future.